What's up, Squids? Welcome back to another Why Wednesday. If you didn't catch the first one, let's recap. The reason I started this Why Wednesday is because the videos I really want to do, I haven't been able to find the time lately to get out and do them. So I stole this concept from Peter McKinnon, and I decided, you know what? Let me do a 2-minute Tuesday, but I'll call mine Why Wednesday, and I'll post mine on Wednesday because I already drop videos on Sundays already, or at least I try to drop videos every Sunday. No, that recap is over. The why today is why I prefer the GoPro 9 over the GoPro 10 and the GoPro 8, and I own all three of them. Well, for me, the GoPro 9, for some reason, the GoPro 9 has nice colors, and I never have any issues with my GoPro 9 at all. I've seen many people online, vloggers, I should say, online, complaining about the GoPro 10 and the power issues. I've also had that same problem. I will hit the button, the power button, to do quick recording, and 9 times out of 10 it'll work, but on that 10th time it wouldn't work. Luckily for me, I hit that recording just before I start writing. I don't hit the recording while I'm writing, because if I do that, I'll definitely miss the action. So I hit the record button while I'm off the bike. Now I use my GoPro 10 as my B-roll camera, and I use my GoPro 9 as my main camera, this one right here. And the camera up front is a GoPro 8. I also have the same problem with the GoPro 8 as well. When I hit that power button on the GoPro 8, sometimes it'll start, sometimes maybe not. But the GoPro 9, I have never ever had that problem. I will also say this. I don't know why, I don't know if it's if it's a glass, or I don't know what it is about this GoPro 8. I don't know if everybody has that same issue. I don't know if it's because I have a case on it or what, but my GoPro 8 gives me some rich skies. And even though I had the color profile set to flat, I use my own color grade. I don't use GoPro's color grade.
Now the GoPro allows you to choose a color profile, and the default color profile is called GoPro, which is an already processed image with punchy contrast and vivid colors, which is great if you don't want to do much in post-production. If you want to color grade your footage, however, because you want to have more control over the final look of your video like I do, then go with flat.
My colors are always rich coming out of the GoPro 8. More richer than I get with the GoPro 9 or 10. For some reason, I don't know, like I said, if it's the case or what. But there is your reason for why I prefer the GoPro 9. Whenever I hit that power button on my GoPro 9, it just works. I can't say the same for the GoPro 8 or the GoPro 10. Sometimes the GoPro 10 sticks with me. Now, I do not know if that's because I have that media mod set up on it. The audio and charging mod is the reason why it works 9 times out of 10. And the same for this one, 9 times out of 10 as well. But the GoPro 9, I also have the mod on it as well, but it also works every single time. And I don't know, I don't get it. The GoPro 9 always works, never have a problem. But the GoPro 8 and 10, I always have issues. Alright guys, that's my Why Wednesday for you. Try to keep it short. And happy Wednesday to you. And stay tuned for Sunday's video. Alright guys, have a safe one out here. Remember, keep your eyes on the swivel, the sticky side down, the shiny side up. And I will see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.